Uh-oh, it's going in my mouth.
Bobby, Bobby, Bobby!
Hey guys, and welcome back to Bobby's World. Today we're gonna make the viral cloud bread with only 3 ingredients, but we're gonna put a special twist on it and make it matcha flavored. So I've seen this recipe a little bit on the internet and TikTok and YouTube, but I haven't seen a matcha recipe yet. So the 3 ingredients you'll need are egg whites, sugar, and cornstarch, and then we'll use matcha powder, and it'll be a very delicious, sweet, and fluffy dessert, and it'll taste like you're eating a cloud. So let's get started. So first, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then separate your egg whites from your egg yolks. Discard the yolks or save for another recipe. Make sure your hands are clean if you do it by hand. Put the whites in a large mixing bowl and start to mix them with a hand mixer. Mix for several minutes until the whites thicken into a meringue. Add sugar a little bit at a time as you beat the egg whites. As your whites thicken, add the cornstarch. Beat until the mixture forms stiff white peaks, like these. Add the matcha powder and mix until incorporated. It looks so yummy and green! Scoop the batter onto a greased baking sheet and shape the batter into a cake shape a few inches high. Place into the oven and bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, take out your cloud bread. The outside will be a little browned. You should enjoy immediately. It looks so good! Let's see how it tastes. So the cloud bread just got out of the oven, and now I'm gonna taste it. It's really soft and fluffy, and the inside's really green because of that matcha powder. So the taste is really good. It tastes mainly like matcha. It has a lot of that matcha flavor with a little sweetness, and the texture is just really soft and pillowy. It almost melts in your mouth. I could eat the whole thing in 1 or 2 bites, and I think I might. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe for more yummy recipes to Bobby's World, and we'll see you soon. Bye.